Meaning of Ealing comedy.
Ealing comedy.
Ealing comedy.
Ealing comedy.
Ealing comedy. Ealing comedy refers to a series of British comedy films produced by the Ealing Studios in the 1940s and 1950s. These films typically featured a mix of slapstick humor, dry wit, and social commentary, often set within a quintessentially British context. They quickly gained a reputation for their clever writing, memorable characters, and cheeky charm, earning a dedicated following both in the UK and abroad. Today, Ealing comedies are celebrated as iconic examples of British humor and remain popular with audiences across generations.